Kiama kia arigitani kiugite sigana ni sigana amugikoretwo gikiuria thirikari na kanjo ya magavana kuthikiriria kiriro kiao riu gikiuga mugomo wao ukwambiriria utuku wa tariki 17.
The Kenya Union of Clinical Officers regret to announce that our strike will resume in full force, affecting all public facilities including the National Referral Hospital, effective midnight today.
Kugerera mwandiki munene George Gibore kiama giki kiugite itwa riri irikinyanire thutha wa kwaga gwitikaniria na thirikari niguo mirutire yawo ya wira iroro na arigitani mahaibio ngathi mari o mamwe ma mateta na wagutura makiria ni kuona arigitani ya matina nyitogeni musemanini wa anyitite mirobogeni rwogima wa mwiri urio gwitanito ni munini wa President Kithure Kindiki.
We urge the respective employers to take immediate action to resolve these concerns within the with the finality to prevent further disruption in healthcare services delivery.
Ibide-ini o riu kiama kia madagitari a dawa na a magego kaunti-ini ya Kericho ni mabeanite mukana wa kugoma kwa ibida ria thiku 14 ciukite makiuga thirikari iyo irathi na mbere na kumabinyiriria kuruta wira matekuhaibio ngathi na kwaga kigina kia urigiti.
Kericho County does not have a comprehensive medical cover for its doctors, despite the fact that they provide the service of being healthcare workers and doctors. So actually they are providing a service that themselves they cannot afford. So for that reason, will not have any reason, if that particular matter will not have been resolved, will not have any reason to be at work after the elapse of 14 days.
Ngeribotera Inoro TV, Jetago Mase, Wadia wa Murithi.